To get started with TikTok Shop link, first ensure you have a TikTok account and a business or creator account that is eligible for shopping. Check TikTok's guidelines to see if your account meets the requirements. Next, apply for TikTok shopping through the TikTok app or the Seller University website. Fill out the application form with your business information, including your store name, address, and contact details. Once your application is approved, set up your TikTok shop by adding a profile picture, cover photo, and bio that describes your store and products. Then, add your products to your TikTok shop by creating a catalog and uploading high-quality product images and descriptions. To add a TikTok shop link to your bio, go to your profile, tap Edit Profile, and then add the website link to your TikTok shop. This will allow customers to click on the link and be directed to your store. You can also add a shopping link to your TikTok videos by using the shopping cart icon when creating a new video. Select the product you want to feature and add it to your video caption. Best practices for using TikTok Shop link include using high-quality product images, writing detailed and accurate product descriptions, and responding promptly to customer inquiries. Utilize TikTok's analytics tool to track your sales and engagement, and adjust your marketing strategy accordingly. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use TikTok Shop link to drive sales, increase brand awareness, and grow your business on the platform.